If you co-own the property with your kids to avoid the probate process and they go through a divorce, your property is subject to being split up in that divorce settlement. So the divorce settlement is going after assets that they own in their personal name. And when you co-own that property with your kids, half of that property is in their personal name and therefore is being subject to being split up in a divorce settlement. So if you want to avoid the probate process and avoid having a divorce settlement affecting the ownership of your property, what you can do, there's a couple different things. You could do a transfer on death deed if you have that available in your state. You would name them as a designated beneficiary of that property. You would have complete ownership while you're alive. When you pass away, it automatically avoids the probate process and goes down to them. Joint tenants' rights to survivorship, we just kind of cover that because if they co-own that property with you, it's subject to their divorce settlement. Another one is going to be a ladybird deed. We don't have those in our state, so I'm not very familiar with them. Or you have a revocable trust. You can put the property inside of the revocable trust while you are alive. You maintain full control over that property and full benefits of it. And then when you pass away, it avoids the probate process and you can leave it inside that trust because the trust turns irrevocable when you pass away. So the property avoids probate because it's not a part of your estate. And then you can keep it in there to protect your kids from that divorce settlement with that property. So let's say you pass away, you keep it in the trust, your kids file for divorce, and then that divorce settlement is going after assets they own. Because that property is still inside the trust and not in their personal name, it's not subject to being split up in a divorce settlement. So that's kind of how you can avoid the probate process and also protect it from any divorce settlements that your kids may have. If you want help setting any of this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.